Righto, welcome back to Brownie's Midlife Adventure, back at Eddy Bay. We're not camping this time like we did about a month ago. What I'm going to do is a update on the BMW F800 Adventure bike. I done a project bike overview video probably about a year ago. So I thought, come down here, update the video, update the bike info, what I've done to it, what we've added onto it, and get out and about and go for a ride as well. All right, let's have a look at it, shall we? Alright, there's the old red scooter. So that's a 2014 BMW F800 Adventure. As I mentioned earlier in the first video, the link will be up the top over there somewhere if you want to watch the first one. Yeah, but I picked it up second hand and I've done a little bit of work to it. So what we'll do, we'll start from the front and just quickly make our way towards the back. It's going to be a short and sweet video. I've got the, I've updated the tyres. I've probably gone through a few sets of tyres since I've done the first review. But these are the MOTOZ Adventure mental blank Tractionator Adventure. So we've got those on. They're pretty good actually. I've been running now 30-30 in front and back. What else? So the BAJA Design S1 laser lights, I've got them up here from BAJA Designs, they're out of the US. These are really great for when you're on those big long straight open roads in outback Australia. I pop them on then and you can see for miles up the road, so they're great for seeing what's way up in front. Just for general nighttime riding, I just use the BAJA XL80s from the same company, again out of the US. And these things, incredible. They are absolutely amazing. The light they throw, they're 80 watts each. The bike handles it okay. I'm not even sure how big the alternator is in the BMW F800, but I can run these all night and it's not a problem. Start the bike up, keep going. We've got the from Hog Lights, I've got the LED upgraded headlight there with the daylight running light in it, so I can be a bit more seen during the day. Like to be seen, want people to see me. What else have we done around here? We've got the Lone Rider 6 litre, I think a 6 litre pack bags there. And I've just got those strapped to the TOURATECH crash bar as well. That just helps protect everything else, somewhere to mount the lights. This side I've just got tools in it. They just strap on. Nice and simple up here. I've done a review on these as well. Again, have a look up here, up there, look, you'll see the link. Click that if you want to have a bit of a better look at them. BARKBUSTERS, they're pretty much really given on most dirt bikes, adventure bikes. You don't want to come off and bend or snap a bloody brake lever or clutch lever or anything else like that. So BARKBUSTERS, they help keep the rain off a bit off your hands. DOUBLETAKE Mirrors, these are great. Same thing. If you do drop the bike, these will just fold up out of the way. I never take them off when I'm riding in the bush. If they get hit by a branch or something, they just fold out of the way, so it's not too much of a problem. Up the top here, we've got the Insta360 ONE X2 360 camera, and that's just mounted on it's a GoPro mount just here onto the screen. It's just glued on. You see the glue around there? So that's just glued on there. That's right. That's recording right now. Let's give them a wave, shall we? Yeah. And that's easy to access from the bike as well. So while I'm riding, I can just press the, I might turn that off. I can just press the record button here while I'm riding the bike, nice and easy. And then I can, wherever that records, then I can come back later in editing and sort that out. And I've got another Lone Rider bag on this side as well. That just carries pump tubes, inflation gels, things like that, patches. Well, what else we got? I think these are TOURATECH as well. This is a foldable gear lever there. Just the first one got bent. It didn't take too long to bend the first one at all. So that's that one. We've got the DENALI SoundBomb. I just done a review on that recently. Again, up there, if you want, there's another one. So if you want to click all those and watch more later, if you're interested in any of this gear, again, highly recommended. It's great to be seen with the lights and it's great to be heard with the horn. So all good. We've got the SW-MOTECH Pro tour bag up here as well. On their website it says not suitable for off-road. That's been all around Queensland, that's been across thousands of kilometres of very rough corrugated dirt road, and it doesn't move, it's still stuck on there. Easy to take on and off, pull the little lever, lifts off, comes off. We've got the quad lock for the phone, so same thing, while I'm riding up here I can see what's going on there. I'm just running drive mode at the moment, but it's the wireless charge, so I can just twist it. I'm throwing my phone down there somewhere, and there's the quad lock wireless charger. So it's as easy as that. I can just come on here and clip my phone back on, which I'm not very good with my left hand. And that's the, that's okay, there's something else we can show you. We've got the tyre gauges, Bluetooth tyre gauges. That's then FOBO, the FOBO tyre gauges. And I've just got a shortcut on drive mode there, so I can just get to that quite easily. Let's just check my tyre pressures. And that alarm through that app will also sound into my helmet as well. That's a little Bluetooth DOUBLETAKE there for the tyre pressure monitoring system, front and back. What else we got? I think that's about it for up the front. Oh no, we've got the GARMIN Zumo XT GPS. So view map, we should be right beside the beach. There we are, Eddy Bay. Look at that, spinning us around. And again, that's just on its own little proprietary mount system, so that'll charge and everything else while the bike's running. And then it just clips on. I do like it, it's really good. The only thing I can fault about it is it doesn't snap in, you know, like you put the phone in and it clicks in, you do anything else and it clicks in. You put this in and have a listen to this, that's it, it's like a bleh. It's almost like a farting sound when you put it in there. So, but it's never fallen off, but it doesn't feel like it's going to snap in there. Again, MOSKO MOTO, Backcountry 35 litre saddlebags there, which I carry all my camping gear in and cooking gear and everything else. A few leaves there. Again, I've done reviews on this and the tank bag as well, all in one video. So the link's back up there again if you want to click that, have another look. I've put the little box here on the back. That covers all my, carries all my camera gear. And so if I drop the bike in the water, as long as I can pick the bike up pretty quick, that'll be mostly waterproof. It's got rubber seals all the way around it. You can see here, so it's all sealed up around there. And I've got the solar panel on there as well. Just a Goal Zero Nomad. And that charges up all right actually, because I can throw something in here, you know, chuck it on the charge. Camera bags there, my Sony camera, a couple of lenses, and the DJI S2 drone as well is in there. You know, and a bit of motel tyre junk in there as well. But yeah, I just like keeping it in there. If I drop the bike, it's kind of protected, so it's not going to hit the deck and crash or anything. And if it's in the water as well, it'll be waterproof. And the other saddlebag on that side. That's foot, same as the brakes. I think same thing, TOURATECH, so it's just got a folding brake lever there. I haven't got the cable going up here for it. It's kind of out of the way of this crash bar, so I'm not too worried about sticks going up and bending it out of the way. And you know, rear brake, it's not a biggie, you can always just bend it straight and keep going. We've got the chain guard because the other one got destroyed. Long story, we won't go there. But yeah, so I just got aftermarket aluminium chain guard that sits on there, and the MOTOZ Tractionator Adventure on the back as well. I am doing a review on these tyres, a long-term review, so I've got bits and pieces. There's a cassowary plum, you might see a cassowary down here, look. That's what the old cassowaries eat. But yeah, these have been good actually, recommended as well. Good grip, and they've done about 5,000 Ks and they're, geez, they're still over 50% tread on them, so happy so far. Righto, I've still got the stock exhaust. It would be nice to put an aftermarket exhaust on there, something a bit lighter. I did have a DRZ 400 years ago, done up as a bit of a safari adventure bike, and I had a, I think it was Apronovic, might have been Yoshimura pipe on it. Sounded hot, sounded real good, you know, plenty of burble. But when you're going down the highway for, you know, 10 hour ride, you really do appreciate not noticing the soulless hum that comes out of that exhaust pipe. It's just nice and quiet, because a couple of times I rode the Suzuki DRZ down south after an hour or two, just listening to that pipe. Sounds nice, but sounds loud. So yeah, well there you go. Short, sweet overview of the BMW F800 and what's been chucked onto it lately, or recently, or since I've had it, and a bit of an update from the first one. So if you've got any questions about any of the gear, feel free to just hit me up in the chat, or the, you know, not the chat, the comments down the bottom. I'll answer everyone's questions you got. Also, if you've got, if you're interested in any of that gear, and you think, oh gee, I'd like something like that for my bike, do us a favour, if you want, click one of the affiliate links down the bottom. I've got all the links for all the gear that I use down in the description below, and that gives me a little bit of a kickback, helps pay for coffee and motorbike petrol, you know, gets me out and about. And if you feel like you really enjoyed it and you got something out of the video, please give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that too, to help the channel kick along as you do. All right, I might throw the drone up and just get some nice footage of the beach here, chuck my hammock up and then relax. All right, till next time, hooroo.